Are you a girl boss that's struggling to create her very own post for her business Instagram? Don't worry, sis. In today's video, you'll be able to see how I create my posts for my business Instagram using a few apps. I'm sure at the end of this, you'll be able to start to create bomb-ass content for your business. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's dive right into today's video. If you are new, welcome to my channel, subscribe, click that like button, and turn on your post notifications, and welcome back. If you are a returning subscriber, happy to have you guys back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I create posts to post on my actual business Instagram using 3 apps today, technically 1 app to create the graphics. So let's dive right into today's video. The first app that we'll be using is actually the Fonto app. It is a free app to my knowledge, and it is used to put text on photos. Also be using Safari, the web browser. You guys should be familiar with this if you have an iPhone. And we'll be using obviously Instagram. We'll be using that because that's how we will make the post public on our feed. So I'm opening up Fonto and I'm actually going to create a brand new file. We're going to set the size to 1080 by 1080 because that is the size used on Instagram's platform. So I'm just going to use a plain white background. I'm going to open my photos and open up this heart background that I have saved. I'll make that big enough to fit over the white background that was initially put down, and then I'm going to go ahead and save that to my phone. After saving that, I'm going to go back and open up the same photo in the Fonto app, and I'm going to use that as my official background for the graphic that we are going to create. I'm now going in and adding this pink square as a background, and I'm changing the alpha so that it doesn't entirely cover up the heart's background that was initially put down. And I'm going to go ahead and save this as well. In the event that the app closes, we have everything saved up until this point. Now I'm going to go back in and open up the last picture that we just saved. So if you guys can't already tell from the background, I'm actually going to be creating a post for Valentine's Day or a Valentine's giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and add whatever text that I need to add. I'm just going to be playing around with it on the app, changing the font size, changing the font, adding dimension to the text, and curving it a bit. Now I'm going into add an item. I'm actually going to be adding a border. I'm adding a white border to the extremities of this graphic or the extremities of this photo, just so that it sits nicely on my feed. You don't need to add a border. Now I'm going to minimize Fonto and I'll be opening up Safari and searching just for cute graphics. Whenever you guys are looking for graphics to add to a background that is not necessarily white, make sure that you are putting PNG at the end or transparent so that way it's easy for you to save the picture and transport it to Fonto or another editing app. I just put in Candy Hearts PNG, and I'm going to save a few of these because I wasn't sure which ones I actually wanted to use. So I saved a few of these, and then we're going to head back over into the Fonto app. Now that we're back into the Fonto app, I'm going to add the candy heart that I just saved from Safari. I'm just going to adjust the size and tilt it just a bit so that it fits nicely in the picture or in the background. Now I'm going to add my Instagram handle just so that it sits somewhere on the photo so that no one steals this picture from my feed for, say, their business or their accounts. I'll also be adding a date so that anyone that comes across this post knows if the giveaway is currently active or if it is closed. And once everything looks good, I'm going to save the photo directly onto my iPhone as a PNG, and then we'll be moving into the Instagram app. I'm going to head over to Instagram and upload that photo. Well, I'm actually going to be prepping the photo because I'm not actually uploading this until the first Valentine's Day giveaway, and we're currently in January still. So now I'll be adding my caption, adding my hashtags and things of that sort. I did go ahead and fill in some more of the rules off camera, but you guys get the gist of what goes on behind posting or making a post for Instagram. So again, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, this really only requires you using the Fonto app. If you already have a background, you don't need to go on Google. If you don't need to add any other images with a PNG background, then you guys can go right ahead and just make a text graphic. So if you guys enjoyed, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. If you would like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. I can't wait to see you guys again in the next episode of my Entrepreneur series. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.